Sarah, look at my new jacket. I bought it online yesterday. It was on sale. It only cost $10.
$10, Daniel. That is incredibly cheap. But wait, let me look closer at the sleeve. Why is there a big hole near the pocket?
Oh, no, I didn't see that. And look at the zipper. It is stuck. I cannot pull it down. Oh, this is terrible.
Oh, Daniel, I am sorry, but the material is very bad. It looks cheap.
You are so right. It looks cheap and it doesn't fit well. The sleeves are too short for my arms. This is a waste of money.
Well, do not worry. Today, we are going to learn how to stop buying cheap clothes and how to look stylish with less money.
Look stylish with less money? I love that idea. My wallet loves that idea too.
Excellent! By the end of this episode, you will learn exactly how to talk about fashion and money in simple English, and you will have 6 powerful sentences to use in your daily life.
I am ready. I want to learn how to shop like a smart adult, not a student who is always looking for a cheap deal. Okay, Sarah, why do we buy so many cheap clothes? I see fast fashion shops everywhere. They are always full of people.
Yes, fast fashion is very popular. It is cheap, but the quality is poor. It is cheap because they make thousands of clothes very quickly with bad materials.
Ah, the quality is poor. That means it is made badly, right?
Exactly. Cheap clothes break after a few weeks, but a high-quality item is different. This jacket will last for years.
This jacket will last for years. I like that sentence. It sounds like a very smart investment.
It is! There is a lifestyle trend in Europe and America called frugal chic.
Frugal. Does frugal mean being poor or cheap?
No, not at all. Frugal does not mean cheap. It means smart with money.
Ah, smart with money. So a frugal chic person chooses quality over quantity.
Spot on, Daniel! Instead of buying 10 cheap shirts, they buy only 1 high-quality shirt. It costs more at first, but it saves money in the end because it lasts a very long time.
But Sarah, how do we know if something is actually a good deal? Sometimes expensive clothes are also bad.
There is an easy rule in English for this. We call it cost per wear. Cost, C-O-S-T, wear, W-E-A-R, cost per wear.
Cost per wear? That sounds like math. Can you explain it with simple words?
It is very simple math. Imagine you buy a cheap jacket for $20, but the quality is poor and it breaks. You only wear it 2 times. So, $20 divided by 2 wears is $10 per wear.
Okay, I understand. $10 for each time I wear it. That is actually quite expensive.
Exactly! Now, imagine you buy a very good jacket. It costs $100, but it is high quality and you wear it 100 times over 3 years. $100 divided by 100 wears is $1 per wear.
Wow, $1 per wear. So the expensive jacket is actually much cheaper in the end.
Yes, that is why we say, this jacket will last for years. It is about buying things that have a low cost per wear.
But Sarah, if I only buy a few high-quality clothes, won't I look the same every day? I want to look professional and stylish at my office.
No, you won't, because smart shoppers use a special system. It is called a capsule wardrobe. C-A-P-S-U-L-E. Capsule. Wardrobe. W-A-R-D-R-O-B-E. Wardrobe.
Capsule wardrobe? What is that?
A capsule wardrobe is a small group of clothes that all match each other. You can make many outfits with fewer clothes.
Ah, every shirt matches every pair of pants?
Yes! You choose simple, classic colors: black, white, gray, blue, and brown. You don't buy crazy patterns that are difficult to mix.
Oh, that is so smart. It solves a big problem for me. Every morning, I open my closet. It is full of clothes, but I always think, I have nothing to wear.
We all feel that way when we have too many cheap, random clothes. A capsule wardrobe makes your morning very easy. You can just grab any shirt and any pants, and they look great together.
Let me do some math again. If I have 3 classic shirts and 3 classic pants, I can mix them and make 9 different outfits from only 6 items.
Yes! It saves you space in your closet, and it saves you time in the morning. It makes you look very elegant and professional.
I love this idea. I want to tell my friends about this. Can I say, I am building a capsule wardrobe?
That is a beautiful sentence, Daniel. Let's say it again for our listeners. I am building a capsule wardrobe.
I am building a capsule wardrobe. Yes, that sounds like a very modern, smart lifestyle choice.
Now, let's talk about the mindset. Smart shopping is not just about clothes. It is about how you think.
How we think? What do you mean?
Many people buy things because they are bored, or because they saw an advertisement on social media. They don't actually need them.
Oh, I do that all the time. I lie in bed at night looking at my phone, and I buy things. After 1 week, I forget about them.
We all do it. But next time you want to buy something online, stop and say this powerful sentence to yourself. I don't need it. I just want it.
I don't need it. I just want it. Wow, that is a very honest sentence. It separates my needs from my desires.
Exactly. It helps you pause. If you stop and say, I don't need it, I just want it, you can save thousands of dollars every year.
But how do I stop myself in the moment? When I see a nice picture, I want to click the buy button immediately.
You should use the 24-hour rule. 24 hours, 1 full day.
How does that rule work?
When you find something online that you want to buy, you cannot buy it immediately. You must put it in your digital shopping cart, and then you must close the website. You must wait for 24 hours.
I wait for 1 day. And what happens after 24 hours?
Usually you forget about it. Or you open the website again, look at the item, and realize, I don't need it. I just want it. It is like magic.
That is a brilliant rule. It is so simple, but it stops you from spending money when you are bored or tired.
Yes, it puts you in control of your money, not the advertisements on your phone.
I'm going to try this tonight. I will return my $10 jacket today and save the money for one good jacket.
I am so proud of you, Daniel. That is the perfect first step to a frugal, chic life. Time flies when we are learning together. Today, we talked about smart shopping and learned 6 excellent sentences. Let's review them.
I will start. Sentence 1. It looks cheap. Sentence 2. It doesn't fit well. Sentence 3. The quality is poor.
And the last 3. Sentence, this jacket will last for years. Sentence 5. I am building a capsule wardrobe. Sentence, I don't need it. I just want it.
These sentences are so practical, Sarah. They are easy to remember, but they sound very mature.
That is always our goal. Now, here's the homework for our listeners. Look at your phone or your closet and think about something you bought recently. Write a comment below and tell us.
Did you actually need it, or did you just want it? Just write, I needed it, or I just wanted it. We love reading your comments.
Yes, write your comment. And if you love this show, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for listening, everyone. Have a wonderful, simple week.
Bye, everyone. Stay stylish.
Bye-bye.